So today is day 3 of my carpentry installation at my mid-century modern house. So far, installation has been good. Choice of laminate. Very big, do this very big. So choice of laminate has proven to be right. So that is the super relieving part. Okay, I'm super relieved. Because this entire house uses only one main laminate. One. Okay, satu. So I was joking with my contractor. I told him after seeing, the first batch go in, I was telling him, 哇，还好哦，这个 laminate 是美的咯。Can you imagine 整间屋子我们只有一种 laminate， 只用一种 laminate 啦。等一下if end up 丑 right, the laminate choice is 丑 one, the entire house will be ugly until. So he was laughing away and he said, 对啦，这个是美的啦，不用担心啦，做出来是美的，这整间。Right? So, but I can tell you as a designer, choice of laminates can be very daunting. As much as I want to make the right decision, a lot of times there's no way to be 100% sure, okay? And I like to be 100% to 100% sure when it comes to my decision. So this cannot be 100% sure thing, waste a lot of my mind always. So what happens is usually in laminate catalogs, the laminates are this small, right? So this small already, then you can't decide sheet, then you need to ask for bigger piece. Okay, ask for bigger piece already, it's only this piece anyway, which is cut from another much bigger piece. So can you imagine when it's installed up, it's in cabinet size, sometimes full height and all that. That's when you get the full impact of the laminate that you have chosen in terms of the grains, how it runs and the color and all that. So even sometimes you look at the bigger piece laminate, you can't really tell how the grains will run until you see the entire thing in its full glory. So this part is always very worrying for me, always, regardless of how many projects I've done, unless I'm using the same laminate that I've used before, then okay, don't say lah, then it's quite safe. I close one eye also, I can decide. But I try not to always keep using the same thing, especially when for different houses there are different feel, even for laminate, so there's no point to repeat just for the sake of repeating or just for the sake of safety. So I also need to be fair to my clients and explore other options to make sure we have left no stones unturned. So that is my premise. Hence, I need to live with that possibility that the laminates will not look super nice when it's in a full-size form. So for this house, I am very, very, very glad, because from the big piece sample, I could tell the beauty already. Hence, there is a very low chance that it will turn out gross lah. If it will turn out gross, even though I'm so sure already, then I have nothing to say. I go and walk into a wall. I better walk into a wall. So so glad that it turned out nice. So now I'm just waiting for the workers to come back from lunch. As usual, I'm waiting again. Okay, this one is not their fault, because I happen to come at the time that they choose to have lunch, and all of them usually they will buy back and eat on site, but today they choose to go out and eat, so I will wait. In general, I don't like to wait for people because I feel punctuality is very important. Like, we fix the time already, then I will be there. I will not want to make people wait for me unless really bo pian I can't be on the dot all the time, but I will not be super late one, because I don't like to be late. So I don't like to wait for people as well because precious time. But this one, it's not their fault. I will let them eat in peace and I'll wait for them to appear so that I can go up, take a look, make sure today, this is where the wooden strips are going in. I just want to make sure the staining and everything is okay before they start to install. Can you imagine if they install already, then I go out and see, then I realize, hey, something is not right, then it will be too late. Then it's installed already. So I want to play it super safe as usual lah. You know, playing super safe has its problems, but I rather 麻烦 than to have to rectify problems. Yeah, so now wait lor. I'm very tired. Okay, I will wait patiently.呀，你不要讲我坏话，我在你后面。记得不要讲坏话嘞，等我走先。This will be where our die cut panel will go in. You know the retro pattern die cut. Today my main aim is to look at the strips, wooden strips. So they are looking good. I'm happy. So finally, when it's all pieced up together, I will see whether there is a need to darken it further with varnish or keep it as is. So in video, now you are seeing a lighter version of what I'm seeing. So I'm seeing a darker version. Yeah. After that, when pieced together, I will need to decide whether it's dark enough or we need to go darker. So this is very nice and authentic looking now. See, the rest are all here. See? Now you can see clearly how deep it is.